An ISO file, frequently known as an ISO image, is a single file that is an ideal illustration of a complete CD, DVD, or BD. The complete contents of a disk may be exactly duplicated in a single ISO file. Think of an ISO file like a box that holds all the parts to something that needs to be built, like a child's toy you might buy that requires assembly. The box that the toy pieces come in does you no good as an actual toy, but the contents inside of it, once taken out and put together, become what you're actually wanting to use. An ISO file works in much the same way. The file itself is no good unless it can be opened, assembled, and used. ISO images are often used to distribute large programs over the Internet, due to the fact that all of the program's files can be neatly contained as a single file. One example can be seen in the free Oafcrack password recovery tool, which contains an entire operating system and several pieces of software. Everything that makes up the program is wrapped up in one file. The file name for the most recent version of Oafcrack looks like this: Oafcrack Vista Live CD-3.6.0.iso. Oafcrack certainly isn't the only program to use an ISO file. Many types of programs are distributed this way. For example, most bootable antivirus programs use ISO, like the Bitdefender Rescue CD.iso ISO file used by Bitdefender Rescue CD. In all those examples, and the thousands of others out there, every single file required for whatever tool to run is included in the single ISO image. As mentioned already, that makes the tool really easy to download, but it also makes it super easy to burn to a disk or other device. Even Windows 10, and previously Windows 8 and Windows 7, can be purchased directly by Microsoft in the ISO format, ready to be extracted to a device or mounted in a virtual machine.